Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Drunk Bully Gets Taught a Lesson by Police. Listen, if you can't control your alcohol, you can't control your liquor, you need to just ease up off it, man. Find something else to help you out with whatever it is that you're going through, man. But anyway, let's get to it, man.
Give me your ID.
No, get your hand off me. Oh, you hurt?
Hello.
Hey, so what happened?
Guy came in, just sat at one of our tables. Yeah, that guy down.
Okay.
I just sat at one of the tables. One of my bussers walked up to him and was like, hey, can I get you anything? Because he had no menus or anything. Then he started going off on him about treating him like shit. You guys steal my money and this. And I was like, sir. I came up and I was like, sir, you haven't spent any money here. And then he's like, well, you're a kid, you know, and I was in the military and I'm gonna fuck you guys up. And he started singing.
He's like screaming in the middle of the restaurant?
Yeah. Yeah, and there's kids all over the place. And I was like, sir, we can't have you talking like that in there. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. And he was like, I'm not going anywhere. You can't make me do anything. And then I was like, I'm gonna have to call the police then. And he's like, fuck it. He was loud, like, right now. Then finally one of the dads over in there, like, sorry, he did like this, and was like, let's go. Like,
Is he drunk? Would you say he's drunk?
yeah, he's definitely drunk.
Okay.
We didn't serve him anything.
Okay. What's your first name? So he was screaming obscenities in the restaurant, causing a scene?
Yeah, he was trying to fight with one of my singers that he kicked on the buzzer.
Oh my gosh.
Like, I started off with, hey, is this your bag, sir? Like, just to try to take his attention off
away.
it.
Yeah.
And he's like, yeah, that's my bag. And I was like, here, let me get it out of the way so somebody doesn't step on it.
Okay.
And he's like, try shit. He's just in the middle of the walkway. And
All right. Would you want to press charges for disorderly conduct?
no, but I definitely don't want him to come here.
Seal trespassed?
Yeah.
Oh, eliminate trespassed. Let me just see if he's... all right. I'll trespass him.
Exotic car place.
Let me know if you need...
Hold on, sir. Thank you. Hold on, I need to see some ID, brother.
My boy look like a junkie.
What do you, don't be
said hold
brave.
on.
You can't do that.
Yeah, I can. Don't walk
No,
away
you-
from
no.
me.
Yeah.
Give me your ID.
No.
Give me your ID,
What are you
sir.
doing to me? Why are you hitting me?
Hitting you? Not yet.
Yeah, no, I'm gone.
No, you're not gone. Okay, you're gonna
Did
have
I
a
break
seat.
the wall?
Hey, I like that guy. Hey, you, not yet. Hey, he giving you that warning. You better, hey, listen, you better tighten up. That's that tighten up warning, man. That's that act right warning. You know what I'm saying? Listen, you better act right or this gonna go south real quick.
What?
What?
Give me your ID, sir. You're drunk and you're in public and you're not going anywhere.
No.
Okay?
No, I'm not drunk.
Got it?
No, get your hand off me. What did you touch me? What are you doing? What did you do to me? I never did anything wrong. What the hell do you think you are? Oh, you hurt me? Oh.
Yeah, don't ooh now. Oh yeah, you gotta act
I'm
right.
having a heart attack, I
There
think.
you go.
Yo, what?
Now, where's your ID?
Get your hands off my land.
Where's your ID?
Oh, I need an ambulance. I'm having a heart attack. Fuck you. You can't go on my land.
Your land.
This ain't. I gotta go to the hospital. Oh, shit. What are you doing to me?
Where's your ID at, sir?
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I need to go to the hospital. You're hurting me.
Yep. Where's your ID?
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I go to the hospital.
So what's going to happen is you're going to go to the jail and book
Shut
under
the
John
fuck up.
Doe.
What did you
Right?
do to what you did? What did you beat me up? What did you do?
What's your name?
I need to go to the hospital. I'm hurt really
What's
bad.
your name?
Why am I hurt? Why did you beat me up? Why did you do what you do to me? I need to go to the hospital. I'm hurt really bad.
What's your name, sir?
I don't. They the fucking. I need to go to the hospital.
What's your name?
I want to know why I can't go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital right now. Get your hands out of my shit, dude.
What's your name?
I want to go to the hospital, sir. I want to go to the hospital, sir. Why did you hurt me? Why did you beat me up? Why? What the fuck did you do? Hey, can I go to the hospital? I'm hurt really bad. This dude beat me up.
Yeah. Too bad it's all on camera, sir. Okay, so you might want to revise your story.
I want to go in camera because are you hurting me? Why are you hurting me? What, you think? Oh, my arm hurts.
He's drunk.
I have to go to the hospital right now.
Pulled away, wouldn't leave, tried to leave, then pulled away from
But
me.
we're on camera, right?
So yes, you absolutely are, sir.
You better hope the fuck. Can I go to the hospital because I'm really dying?
So he's public intox for one. I don't know if you got. There was two guys here.
So
I
it
don't know
used to
who
be
the
in the army or some shit?
witnesses are.
Hey, cocksucker. You little fuck monkey.
Hey, there's this thing.
Look at
What's
dark.
in there? There's this thing.
So are you a man? You look like a goddamn gay fuck.
He pulled away from me.
Shut
I
the
guess we
fuck
could
up.
charge him with resisting.
I have to go to the hospital
But
because I'm dying.
he's either a marksman
I'm
or I don't know what
fucking
he did with
dying.
these guys here.
Cocksucker.
Just,
And you think you're some more fucking bitch.
Yeah. I think one was a
Can I get
manager and there was
unlocked?
like another bouncer guy or something.
Can I get unlocked?
A what?
Get unlocked?
Get unlocked?
I'm gonna shoot the fuck out of you.
Okay.
And I got a lot of time.
Alright.
Can I get unlocked? Or is it you think you're bad?
Are you talking about
Alright, then arrest me or something.
you?
Do something.
You're
You
going.
son of a bitch.
We're trying to.
You're a man, alright?
You're a pretty nice guy when you're sober.
No, actually, you're a fucking punk, and I've never been nice. Because I'm a what? I'm a man. You ain't. Alright. Do you do? I'll be here when I get there. And I'll do it, I'll do it. You actually think you're a man? You're a fucking pussy.
Where's your ID?
Fuck. I ain't gotta do that either, by law.
Alright.
Well, here I am. And you just fucked up.
You're gonna be booked in as John Doe. John Doe.
Either arrest me or not.
Oh, you're pretty much under arrest, sir.
Get booked in as John Doe, and you gonna sit until they figure out who you is. But you know, I'm assuming he probably has some sort of record, so probably once they fingerprint him, his stuff will pop up, I'm sure.
No, I ain't.
Okay.
Alright, let's go to jail. I'll get out of jail. Send that little goddamn fucking ghost shit. You know, that's why, you know what? He ain't tight. Here you go. Here I am. I'm already locked up like a fucking bitch, right? Doesn't make you a war fuck. You ain't never been in my army. You ain't never tried that shit. Yeah, fucking pussy.
Why are you so angry?
That's about the dumbest shit I ain't. You look like a fucking punk.
Why are you so angry?
If I decide to do something, then you're a fucking punk. You ain't a man. You ain't never in combat. You ain't fucking shit. I laugh at you. Fuck. You're a man. You know, you're smoking your shit. So either arrest me or take me to jail. Whoa, what's sitting there? Let's work it. Let's see how it works. I ain't got a goddamn care. You know, when I was a kid, I was a big gun. But we don't fuck around.
Well, thank you for your service, but you don't have to be.
Ever thank me for
You
doing
don't have
my
to be
duty.
ignorant.
Ain't ignorant.
You drunk, you said?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, yeah, let's go set up, alright?
Bleeding on his one hand or
Oh,
something's
is he?
going on.
I got some gloves.
He won't give his ID up either.
What's
So
up?
he won't give his ID.
Oh. What's your name?
Just a minute.
Huh?
I ain't gotta give you my ID.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you do.
Hey, what am I?
Yeah. You're under arrest.
We're arrested.
What's up?
Arrested.
We are. So what's your name?
Hey, none of your business.
Okay.
Well, arrest me.
We are.
Okay, you just said that. We're arrested.
We are.
Okay.
All right.
I can do it.
Stand up for us. Really, dude? Really? We're gonna be a
It
child?
really hurts.
Okay. You've got to stand up, man. All right?
This really hurts.
What hurts, man?
Dude,
What hurts?
And don't fuck with me.
Okay, you've got to stand up, man.
Shit out.
You got to stand up.
So I'm under arrest?
Yes, you are.
For what? What did you tell me?
Public intoxication.
Oh, well, fuck your ass.
And resisting.
Oh, take care of it, man.
All right, come on. Let's go.
Yeah, you want to go to jail, huh?
What's up?
So you're a big guy. So I'm going, what am I doing? Did he get any money?
Disorderly intox and resisting.
Oh, really?
Yep.
You little fucking boy. You've been in a combat zone. Where the fuck did you come from, boy? Are you some kind of work fuck? Don't touch my money.
Well, I have to touch it to take out your pockets.
You fucking cocksuckers. If I ever catch you stealing from me, I'll
It's all on
shoot you in the
camera.
fucking head.
Oh, okay. Shoot us in the head, huh?
Get out of my fucking set, you fucking punk. Shut your fucking mouth, you fucking punk. You got ass?
Signing.
Fuck you, you little boy. Is that all you got? Let's go to jail.
We are.
And you have to hurt me, huh? You think you're a war fuck? You ever been in combat? I was in combat before you're involved. You little shit. And this fucker thinks he can beat me up.
Go ahead, get in.
Give me my money.
Yep, you're gonna get your money. Get in the car. Step in.
I want all my money. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, you've got to step up. Put your right foot up.
I can't do anything because I'm old. Why do you beat me up and hurt my
Put your right foot
arm?
up.
I want my money and everything, you little boy.
Raise this leg up and stick it in there, please.
You pick it up. You hurt me,
Put your right foot
I
up.
will fuck your world up.
There you go.
Is that what you do, you little girls? You hurt my hands.
Yep. Go ahead. Can you go to the other side? Drunk.
You steal my money and everything.
All right. You should be good.
You little girls. Are you a man? Get the fuck. Oh, why are you hurting me?
Watch your
I'm
elbow.
not hurting you.
You the fuck you ain't hurting me. You little
Bags on
girl.
this crap.
He was charged with battery and disorderly intoxication.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.